Namaskar, student. This session is about strategies for prevention of anemia. Now, before discussing strategies of prevention, let us discuss about what is anemia. Anemia is a condition in which number of red blood cells and or their oxygen carrying capacity is insufficient to meet the body's physiological needs. In Ayurveda, anemia is referred as Pandu Rog, meaning disease of pallor. When we see anemia classification, we'll found that in mild anemia, the hemoglobin level is 10 to 10.9 gram per dl. In moderate anemia, hemoglobin level lies in between 7 to 9.9 gram per dl, and in severe cases the hemoglobin level lies less than 7 gram per dl. Global burden of anemia. Anemia is the most common public health problem affected around 1.9 billion population of the world. 90% of the cases of anemia were in developing countries. Africa and Asia accounts for 85% of anemia cases. Death due to anemia. In Asia, anemia is the second leading cause of mortality, maternal mortality. Mortality due to anemia contributes to 22%, that is 115,000 of total maternal deaths every year. 24%, that is 591,000 of the total perinatal death every year, and around 90,000 deaths in both sexes and all age groups were due to iron deficiency anemia alone. Now, prevalence of anemia in India. In children up to 6 to 59 months, the prevalence was 58%. In adolescent girls of 15 to 19 years, the prevalence was 54%. Adolescent boys in between 15 to 19 years, the prevalence was 29%. Women of reproductive age, the prevalence was 53%. Pregnant women, the prevalence was 50%. And in lactating women, the prevalence was 58%. Need of newer programs. The fact is that in spite of all programs, no marked improvement has been noticed in the magnitude of anemia. There are evidences that despite the pregnant women receiving 100 IFA tablets, that is iron folic acid tablets, free of cost, in the prevalence of anemia has still remained alarming. Researches reveals that the compliance rate of IFA is as low as around 30%. To overcome this, there was a strong felt need of focusing on social and behavior change communication, that is SBCC, at community level. Considering this, the present government decided to give a right inputs and focuses for driving the existing programs into a full-fledged mission. And hence, by political will to strengthen the existing mechanism and foster new strategies, Anemia Mukt Bharat was launched in September 2018 for combating anemia. In Unmukt Bharat, beneficiaries of the mission is from age group 124 million children of 6 to 59 months of age at village level and Anganwadi centers, 134 million school-going children of 5 to 9 years at schools and Anganwadi centers, 47 million adolescent boys 10 to 19 years at school level, 68 million adolescent girls 10 to 19 years, school and Kishori Divas and Anganwadi centers. 17 million women of reproductive age, that is 20 to 24 years, under mission. 30 million pregnant women at Anganwadi centers or contact point. 27 million lactating women at Anganwadi workers and contact points. Now, 6 interventions. First one is prophylactic iron and folic acid supplementations. Second is deworming. Third, intensified year-round behavior change communication campaign, solid body, smart mind, including ensuring delayed code of dumping in newborns. Fourth one is testing of anemia using digital methods and point of care treatment. Fifth was mandatory provision of iron and folic acid fortified foods in government funded health programs. Sixth was addressing new nutritional causes of anemia in endemic pockets with special focuses on malaria, hemoglobinopathy, and fluorosis. 6 institutional mechanisms. First was intermaternal coordination. Second, National Anemia Mukt Bharat Unit. Third one, National Center of Excellence in Advanced Research on Anemia Control. Convergence with other ministries. Fifth one is strengthening supply chain and logistic. And next one is Anemia Mukt Bharat to stop anemia. Target groups to reduce prevalence of anemia by 3% per annum as per Poshan Abhiyan. And the target is for at the rate 2022, in which children up to 5 to 59 months, the percentage of anemia children in year 2016 is 58%, which was reduced to 40% in 2022. For adolescent boys 15 to 19 years, the prevalence percentage was 29 and the target was 11%. Adolescent girls 15 to 19 years, the prevalence was 54%, which was reduced to 36%. Women of reproductive age, the prevalence is 53% and which was reduced to 35%. Pregnant women 50% to 32%. Lactating women 58% to 40%. Now, key performance indicators. Percentage of children aged 6 to 59 months who received at least 8 doses of IFS syrups. Percentage of school children aged 5 to 9 who received at least 4 pink colored IFA tablets. Percentage of eligible pregnant women who received at least 180 IFA tablets at antenatal contact point. Percentage of states, districts with available stock of IFA tablets for all age groups. Percentage of school-going adolescent aged 10 to 19 years, both boys and girls, eligible under WIFS programs who received at least 4 blue color IFA tablets. Percentage of women of reproductive age 20 to 24 years eligible under Mission Parivar Vikas who received at least 4 red colored IFA tablets. Now, guidelines for prophylaxis of anemia. Children 6 to 59 months, bi-weekly 1 ml iron and folic acid syrup containing 20 mg elemental iron and 100 milligrams of folic acid per ml. Children of 5 years to 9 years of age, weekly 1 iron and 1 folic acid tablet, each tablet containing 45 milligrams elemental iron and 400 milligrams folic acid, which is sugar coated and pink in color. For the age of 10 to 19 years, adolescent girls and boys, weekly 1 iron and folic acid tablet, each tablet containing 60 mg elemental iron and 500 milligrams folic acid, that is of blue color. Reproductive age women's for 20 to 49 years, weekly 1 iron and folic acid tablet, each tablet containing 60 mg elemental iron plus 500 milligrams folic acid, that is red in color. For pregnant women, daily 1 iron and folic acid tablet starting from 4th month, continued throughout the pregnancy period, minimum 180 days during the pregnancy time, containing 60 mg elemental iron and 500 milligrams folic acid, which is of red in color. Lactating mothers from 0 to 6 months of child, daily 1 iron and folic acid tablet, connecting for 180 days postpartum, each tablet containing 60 mg elemental iron and 500 milligrams folic acid, that is red in color. Deworming. Children 12 to 59 months of age, biannual dose of 400 milligram albendazole, half tablet to children 12 to 24 months and 1 tablet to children 24 to 59 months. Children 5 to 9 years of age, biannual doses of 400 milligram albendazole, 1 tablet. School going and out of school adolescent girls and boys for 10 to 19 years of age, biannual dose of 400 mg albendazole, 1 tablet. Women of reproductive age, non-pregnant and non-lactating mothers of 20 to 49 years, biannual dose of 400 mg albendazole, 1 tablet. Pregnant women, 1 dose of 400 albendazole, 1 tablet after first trimester, preferably during second trimester. Food-based strategies, dietary diversification and enhancing of bioavailability of micronutrients, infant and young children feeding, promotion of breastfeeding and complementary feeding, food fortifications. Parenteral and iron therapy. Interventional iron sucrose has a very high potential for reducing the burden of iron deficiency anemia because it overcomes the problem of complications and absorption compared to oral iron supplementation and has an excellent safety record. Indications for intervention iron sucrose therapy: intolerance to oral iron, poor compliance to oral iron, inadequate absorption due to gastrointestinal disorder or malabsorption, lack of response to oral iron. Pregnant mothers will serve IDA representing late in pregnancy as the first line therapy in cases of moderate and severe iron deficiency, anemia in school and third trimester of pregnancy, postpartum anemia. This picture shows that 5 to 59 months of boys and girls want a solid body and smart mind with supplementation of IFA and iron-rich food and deworming tablets. 5 to 9 years boys and girls, there is supplementation of IFA, iron-rich foods and deworming tablets. Like that, 10 to 19 years boys and girls, IFA tablet, iron-rich food and deworming tablets. Women of reproductive age, IFA tablets, iron-rich foods and deworming tablets. Like that, pregnant women's IFA, iron-rich and deworming. Lactating mothers, iron-rich foods and IFA. And this is Anemia Mukt Bharat, which considered eat vitamin-rich foods, iron-rich foods, and avoid tea, coffee, smoking, hard drinks, and junk foods. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 JV University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box.